So the duplation and mediation method is another way of multiplying numbers. I think we're all used to vertical form. That was the one that was traditionally taught, where you do 2 times 3 makes 6, 2 times 8 makes 16, carry the 1 over. That works, and we're all really comfortable with it. Just checking out these other methods is to show there's other ways historically that people were taught multiplication, division, things like that. So it could be quicker if we were all to practice it, because maybe we could get really good with like the methods here, and it might turn out faster for doing things by hand than what we're used to. Okay, so the way it works is typically you take the first number in the multiplication sentence, divide it by 2. 52 divided by 2 makes 26. Then divide that next the new number by 2. Then divide the new number by 2. Now look, we would have a remainder. 13 divided by 2 is 6 with a remainder of 1. Drop the remainder though, okay? That's how the duplation and mediation method works. Divide by 2 again. Divide by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1 with a remainder of 1. So we drop the remainder. Now with the other column of numbers, what you do is you multiply the number by 2. So 183 times 2 gives us 366. Let me double check. Yeah, okay. Then multiply this number by 2. 732, I think. And then multiply this number by 2. So that's 4, 6, 14. And then multiply that new number by 2. 8, 9, 2. Let me double check that one because I was hesitant. Yep. And then multiply that number once more by 2 until we finish out like this rectangle of information that we're making. I'll double check that just to make sure I don't mess anything up. Okay, yep. So the first number, you keep dividing it by 2 until you get down to 1, dropping the remainder. The next number, you keep multiplying by 2 until you catch up to where that 1 is. And now you go through and you eliminate all the even values. So 26 times 366, we're going to eliminate that row. All the even values in this column. Okay, so I eliminated 26 times 366 because it starts with an even number in black here. This is odd, so this row stays. This is even, so this row is gone. This is odd, so those stay. And your final answer is going to be found by adding these 3 values. 732 plus 2928 plus 5856. Okay, because if you add all those up, it makes 9,516. Which is what the multiplication is in our calculator. So if you haven't seen that before, probably looks like a crazy method because it's just not something we were usually typically taught in school.